Hey guys, Space Match. My grandpa found this on YouTube. We're gonna be doing hot water goes in a little glass cup, jar, whatever, and then you put a hard-boiled egg on the top once all the hot water's in the thing. Actually, no, you rinse. Excuse me. You rinse the jar out after you put before you put the egg in.
You pour hot water in the jar.
There you go. So this is going to be the hot water pouring.
Are you ready?
The cup. Yep. Go. There goes the hot water. And don't you have to pour it out fast? Then put the egg on top. Okay, there you go. We'll pour it out, pour it all out. Now, put the egg on top. Is it? It's going in. Look at that. Holy. Let's watch it. Is it still going in? Guys, it's still going in. DIY egg going in a cup. DIY. It's still going in. Look how far it's gone. Holy, that's so cool. It's about to explode, it looks like. Here's a close-up. Look it's still going in right here. It used to be up to like here. Whoa, that scared me. Ow, it fell. Did you guys see that? That's physics.
A malfunction.
Holy crap. That was awesome. Let's do another one. Holy, it exploded.
Don't step on the egg on the floor.
Okay.
Okay, shut your video on.
Holy, look. Look.
Put it on top. Put it
Look
on top.
on
Put it
the-
on top. No, the other way.
Oh.
Oh, it's cold.
What's cold? The jar?
egg.
That scared me. It exploded. Okay, we're gonna peel another one and get more hot water. Is there more hot water? Okay.
You want to eat that?
Oh, it's sticky. What is that? What is that?
Hmm?
What is that?
What? Where?
Right there, it's sticky.
Oh, probably from the label.
Okay, this time we're gonna peel another. The jar's still pretty. Oh, why did I do that? I need to go wash my hand. You peel another hard-boiled
Is the
egg.
video shut off?
No.
Well, shut it off.
Okay, he's peeling another one.
No, shut it off, Grace.
Why?
You got to take all that out.
No. That's the remainings. And then some of it in the jar. So that's all for this video. If you guys want to see another one, that was pretty cool. Say it down in the description below. That's all for today. See you in the next one. I mean, that's all for right now. I probably will do one later. See you in the next one.